a movement layer. We learned how we duplicate a layer and then move objects on that movement layer. And then we learned how to preview. Today, in lesson 2, we want to learn how to move an object in behind another object. So our mission today, we're going to have the sun set on the horizon. To begin our scene, let's go to File, New, Blank, File. It says Setting Sun. Width 700, height 500, resolution 72. Background color is white. Alright. Now I'm going to begin. I'm going to create a kind of a sidewalk here. And instead of green, it's going to be a gray. Okay. Now we need some green color. Put up some grass here now. So just grab a brush. Let's see what this looks like. Shape layer must be okay. That's fine. Oops, Command Z. And let's throw some grass in here. Command Z. Let's go down here to the background layer. Let's do that here instead. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to hit the right bracket key and just kind of increase my brush size just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I'll make some contour here. There. Alright. And let's go ahead and put in some grass, some real grass here. Right here at number 134. Click on that. Now that's rather large, so now I'm going to use the left bracket key. Make that smaller. And yeah, I like that. So we're going to put in some nice blades of grass. Have some of them come out here on top. There we go. Yeah. There. Alright. Now let's see. We'll need some clouds. Back to the custom shape tool. And we want cloud number 2 here, I think. And let's see if we can put those on a different layer. Yeah, like that. Uh-oh, green clouds. Not good. Let's undo those. There we go. Now I might be changing this background from a white to a blue. There we go. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put some white paint in those. Now we're going to change this to a blue. And I'm going to go ahead and edit this. I don't think I want this dark a blue. I'm going to go with a lighter blue in there. There we go. And cancel. Let's see here. Let's take all of these shapes. Let's just merge everything. Layer, merge, visible. There we go. Alright. And Z, that's not what we want. What I want is for that blue just to go in this white area. So I'm going to use the magic wand tool and just select that white. I want just a teeny tiny bit of darker blue up there. go. I like that. Alright. Command D to deselect. Let's see if I can't make this work out. Command Z. There we go. This one may not work either. Command Z. Alright, we've got our clouds yet. Just rework those clouds a little bit. And we need to simplify those layers. Simplify. There we go. Come back here. Simplify. Now we can edit those. Alright, we're gonna leave that as is. And bring in our sun. We want our sun on a separate layer, because our sun will be moving. That sun will be our movement layer today. And we're going to use this one right here. Sun number 3. Alright, so I'm going to merge down again. Layers, merge visible. So all layers merged into our background layer. And our sun will be nice and warm. There we go. And I think that may need to be simplified as well. There we go. I like that. Alright, so our sun is going to move down and it's going to set right down here. But we can't have our sun setting on a sidewalk. That needs to go in behind there. So, but it doesn't have to go in there right now, so we're going to wait and just go ahead and create some of that movement layer till we get down in here. So once again, to create our movement layer, select both background and your movement, duplicate, and then of course we want to change our movement. Select both layers, duplicate, and move. Now if you want, you can actually make this kind of larger. I'm going to come down here on this one, actually uncover those, make that smaller. Okay, then we made that one larger to make those visible again. Okay, so now let's go ahead, duplicate, bring that down, get just a little bit smaller, not much. Alright, I'm going to duplicate one more time. Okay, so we're, oopsie, undo that, Command Z that move. Alright, now we want to bring that down about right here. Alright, so at this point now, we've got to separate the background sky from the land. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to hide everything there. Alright, except for this one layer. We'll try this. Okay, I'm going to do Command X and see what happens. Very good. I like that a lot. Alright, so now we need to create a new layer. Right here's new layer. Actually, we want it to be up there, I do believe. New layer and Command V to paste. Okay, so this has got to come up. Bring out our sun, and our sun here is being covered up by the blue sky here. So let's fix this. This background layer is going to have to be up here. The sun will have to be in between the background layer here and the sky layer, so between the ground and the sky, but the sky cannot be covering up our sun. So this is the order in which we'll have to go with from here on. So let's go ahead, we're going to duplicate this. Okay, And then create our setting sun, duplicate one more time, layer, duplicate layers, and sun has set behind the horizon right there. Yep, I like it a lot. Alright, so to move an object in behind one another, you have to separate objects out. If you want to go behind a tree or a building, those have to be on separate layers. And then you may have to make some adjustments as to how your layers stack up. But this works just great. So let's go ahead and merge these layers together. Remember, we need to merge the action layer to the background layer. That's Command E. Oops, gotta make those visible again. Sorry. Can't merge something that's not visible. Alright. So background, action, merge. Background, action, Command E to merge down. Alright, so now here though, we're going to need 3 layers. The ground, the sun, and the sky layer. So sky, sun, ground. Merge. Command E, merge layers. 1, 2, 3. Command E. 1, 2, 3. Command E. Alright, let's just go take a look. Save for web. Animation. I'm going to run that for one frame delay. There we go. That works. Alright, so the only other thing that I might do here is to take this layer right here, this last one, and duplicate it a couple more times, because I actually want the sun to kind of sit there for a little while. Alright, let's try one more time. Save for web. Animation. Yep. Perfect. There you go. Now you know how to move an object in behind another, which would be kind of very natural. Alright, well, with that done, make sure that you have saved your work. As always, you want to make sure things get saved up. This can be placed in the desktop, hit the save button, and voila, you're done. Enjoy.